Hello guys, so today we are going to implement a basic web server totally in C, and we will look how a web server works and then finally implement it. So we will first start with a really basic web server which will just get your request whenever you access it, and we will run it on our local host at port 8080, and it will just show a simple hello world text on your screen whenever you will access that, and then we will extend it further to render some HTML. If this video gets really long, I will divide it into parts, and I will also try to make it as interesting as possible. So yeah, let's see. So to create a web server, there are first we have to understand what a web server is and how it works. So basically, imagine you are on Reddit and you are scrolling through a post. So whenever you click to a link, like say you are at our unique spawn and you saw an image of a really heavy raised arch customization, and you click on that image. Now the post opens, and after you click the image, the Reddit servers get a get request from your side, and then the server provides you with the required HTML page that they have rendered at their backend. And now you are seeing whatever the server has returned after that request has been accepted by the server. So to implement a web server like this, we have to create a socket first, and then we have to bind the socket to an IP address at the and a port which is localhost 8080 in our case. And then we have to listen for any incoming connections, which we will reply it, and we will log all the incoming connections to our terminal at the very basic implementation. And then we will definitely accept connections from clients, receive requests, and then send responses back to the client. So I hope you have understood it, or maybe not, because it might sound little fancy for any new eyes. So our motto is not really understanding the concepts of computer science, is it? We are just here to implement the web server, right? So yeah, let's do that. So for the very basic implementation, I have some code already ready. I have written some code beforehand so that we will not waste any time in typing. Let me save this so you can get syntax highlighting. So we have defined a port 8080, and we are logging here whenever we run this program that our web server has started. And this is the content that we will render on reaching localhost 8080. And if the server fails to start, we will log an error, WSS startup failed. We are also checking if the if our web server is listening for any incoming requests or not. If it is not, we are again throwing some errors. And this is an infinite while loop. What this does is it basically checks if our web service is accepting any incoming requests or not. If it does, then we are logging some information to our terminal, and what it logs we will check when we will be running this implementation. So I will be providing this code to you in the description below. So let's see what happens if we run this. So to run this, just run gcc our file -o webserver.exe, and we have to link LWS 232. If we do not link this header files, then our web server will not run and we will have many errors. So once we have achieved this, a new file called webserver.exe will be created, and now we can just run that file, and our web server has been started on port 8080. So I'll just go to localhost 8080. I can see that it displays hello world, and we also got some response back in our terminal, which is basically a GET request that is sent from our browser, and we have logged some browser information right here, and also hello message sent, which we have explicitly defined in our printf statement, right? So now, if what if we want to render some HTML content, like, say we have hello world written here, but we want this hello world to be written inside an HTML file and then render that instead. Modified the code now, and what this does is takes an index.html file from the same directory and renders the contents that's inside it and displays instead of this, right? So if we want to implement this, we first have to create a file called index.html, and we have to write some HTML first. I'm good to go now. I've written some really basic HTML, just an h1 tag which displays hello world. Now let's save this and let's rerun our web server. I have to run this again, and now, yeah, let's see if this works. So just refresh the page and it does work. I have successfully displayed hello world, and don't worry about this is just some bug. You know how I write my code. So yeah, I leave this up to you, that how you gonna fix that, and I will leave the code below in the description. And yeah, you can probably comment down below that how to fix this bug, because definitely I can't help you in everything. You have to experiment with things, and then you have to learn few things by yourself. I know I have not explained every chunk of the code that I wrote here. I basically just wrote all of this beforehand. I have tested that it's working or not. I have done a lot of debugging, because you know how C works. Yeah, so I've done a lot of debugging beforehand, and then only in the end I've just give you the code that really works, that's really best. So yeah, you can't expect that everything can work really good in this small amount of time. Like if this video is around 15 minutes, then I've definitely put an effort of about an hour or even more. So yeah, never stop learning, because you can make mistakes, and nobody's a genius when they're born, right? You have to learn things by doing it. Keep doing things, keep breaking stuffs. Yeah, break to learn. You can't just go on and on and on and on. You there will be things, there will be stuff at some point which will pull you back, but you have to come back. So yeah, keep learning, and I will try to make some more interesting videos like this. So this has been a basic web server in C. See you in the next one.